Once you have a goal structure, it's the perfect communication structure, and you can utilize it for that purpose as well. And here's how it works. On any goal, next to the Notes tab, you find a Comments tab. Every comment carries a note on who created it. It shows the email in a curtailed way. If you mouse over, you see the complete email. It carries the timestamp, and you can add a new comment below. So let's do that here. Hello, Paul. Thank you for your update here. And I can now also notify Paul by email. I don't have to do that. I can just log that entry as a comment, but I can also pick Paul's email from this list and then send it off, and Paul will get a notification on this message. He will get this in a 5-minute delay, because if I add another message here, those two messages will get bunched together in one email. For as long as Paul's email hangs in here, he'll also get an email on the comments that are being created here.